it again. See, look.
Yeah, you did it.
Do it again.
Today we're going to show you guys how to do the best bubble bath. Alright, now you take your soap of choice, or shampoo rather. You just put a bunch of that stuff in the water. A whole bunch of it. Holy cow, that was too much. The next step is the most crucial step. You have to go buy one of these bad boys. It's called an immersion blender. I put so much in there, it's already got a pretty good bubble happening. But this thing is gonna set it off on a whole nother level. Next step is earmuffs. You ready, Marley? Yeah. Alright. Alright, now here we go. This is what we do. Alright, so we got about 5 inches of bubbles now. Is it bubble time? Yeah. Alright, let's do it. Is that a lot of bubbles?
No.
It's never enough bubbles, is it? Almost though. Maybe next time. Those bubbles are all the way up to her neck. You what? What do you want me to do? You want me to put this on my face?
No.
My face?
Yeah.
Me? Okay. Look. Alright?
Yeah.
So that's how you make bubbles. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and learned a little bit. Go buy yourself an immersion blender and you'll be having some serious fun like me.
I want one. I want one. No.
You want more on your face?
No.
Alright, I'm gonna do it to my face. I can't see. I can't see. Ah. You wanna put it on my face?
Yeah.
Put it on my face.